One of the greatest video games I have ever played is Final Fantasy X. It has a tight, engaging story that you can gather a lot of insights from. If you are unfamiliar with the story, I'll quickly summarize. It's about a civilization of people living on an island, but the island gets destroyed every 1,000 years. And of course the 1,000th year is approaching. For these people who live in the land called Spira, their apparent only option is to sacrifice one of their own to stop the destruction. A woman named Yuna is destined to sacrifice herself for the land of Spira, but we don't know that yet. You play as Titus, who along with other party members aid Yuna in her quest. Around halfway through the story, Titus is told that Yuna is going to sacrifice herself in a final summoning ritual. This culminates into a scene at Macalania Lake, where Titus confronts Yuna that she doesn't have to go through with the summoning, and that she can free herself of the duty that she feels.
Forget all about sin. About being a summoner. Forget all of that. You know, live a normal life.
Maybe I will.
They then begin to talk about Titus's hometown called Zanarkand. Titus says that we can go to Zanarkand and leave Yuna's quest behind. Yuna then begins indulging with Titus, and they begin talking about all the things they want to do and see in Zanarkand.
What'll I do if I give up my pilgrimage?
Hey, Zanarkand. Let's go to Zanarkand. Then we'll have a big party at my place.
And then we could see Blitzball.
That's right.
Your Zanarkand Aves would play?
Yeah.
We could all watch you play, in the stadium all lit up at night. I'd cheer and cheer till I couldn't cheer anymore.
No problem. Zanarkand never sleeps.
Then Yuna starts crying, as due to her beliefs, she cannot abandon her quest. She gives up her dreams of ever seeing Zanarkand. But this is real life, and you are not trying to banish a colossal kaiju that destroys your village. So what's the real world lesson? You should never give up on your hopes and dreams of a new possibility. Most of us never try to do or become more. The world has really beat that out of us. We all have big dreams, but we don't know how to actualize them. We're stuck with what we keep hearing from the people around us. And then you end up on the default path in life while never constructing your own. You should build your own life and not rest on someone else's thinking.
Stay away from the summoner!
You're a bad man!